60 seconds with Femi, correct pidgin yarnings. Now what they do. And today we want to look the big one. Nigeria versus Cameroon. This match, no be small match, because Nigeria and Cameroon, two of them are correct team when they talk about African football. And for Nigeria, they don't meet Cameroon so many times for inside the African Cup of Nations and for inside friendly. The last time when Nigeria meets Cameroon, now for the World Cup qualifiers, when Nigeria and Cameroon been in the same group. And when the game been come Nigeria for Uyo, Nigeria win Cameroon 4-0 for inside that match. But this one no be that time. This na African Cup of Nations. Nigeria qualify from Group B, and for inside that group, Nigeria come second, where Nigeria lose 2-0 to Madagascar. And then we dey hear say many of the players after that loss where they lose to Madagascar, many of them no gree chop. Then they vex. They talk say this game against Cameroon, then go use and show Nigeria say they're ready for the African Cup of Nations. Me, they ask you as a Nigerian where you be, as football fan where you be, you get believe say Nigeria go fit win Cameroon today, and you suffer the Cameroon, you get believe say Cameroon go fit win Nigeria today.